Hello and welcome to the Affiliate Website Masterclass. I'm your instructor, Dom, and I'm going to show you how to build an affiliate marketing niche website. I've been an affiliate marketer for the past 4 years, full-time for the last 2. I've built a couple of these websites, and I think a lot of people still don't know they exist. So I want to take this video and kind of explain the overall strategy behind niche websites and kind of what a niche website is. But in case you're completely green and have no idea what affiliate marketing is, here's a quick rundown. Affiliate marketing is basically when you take an offer, usually a product from a well-known company, and you place it in front of a specific audience using a unique link. Your links as an affiliate are unique so that the company that you're referring people to know that the customers came from you specifically. Now, when somebody that you refer goes through your link and buys a product, that company is going to pay you a commission. That commission is usually anywhere between 5 and 10% for physical products and somewhere between 40 and 60% for digital products. And this is not something that's new. In fact, many well-known brands have affiliate programs that just about anybody can sign up for. So let's hop into my computer real quick and I'll show you some examples of well-known affiliate programs. All right, so we're here on my computer. We're on Amazon.com, the world's largest online retailer. And actually, if we scroll all the way to the bottom of this page, you'll see right down here, there's a little link that says become an affiliate. We're going to click on this, and this will take us over to the Amazon Associates program, which is Amazon's affiliate program. And just like I explained before, once you sign up, you're going to get a unique link. You can then recommend products from Amazon. And when people buy, you'll earn up to a 10% commission on the sale. And it's not just Amazon that does this. If you hop on over to Target's website, Target has a similar program, except they pay up to 8% commission. Same thing with Best Buy. Best Buy also has an affiliate program that you can sign up and you can earn. And it's not just the big box general store retailers either. If you're into outdoor stuff, Bass Pro Shops also has an affiliate program that you can join. And I could go on forever. There's thousands, tens of thousands, maybe even hundreds of thousands of affiliate programs in every niche that you can think of. Now, there are many strategies that people use to get their affiliate links in front of their potential customers. A lot of people just post them on social media. Some people start a YouTube channel. Others start a podcast. I mean, the strategies are limitless. However, few strategies offer the passive income the way that a niche website does. A niche website is something that we can build once, and then once it's producing revenue, we can walk away from it and let it produce revenue pretty much forever. And this program is going to teach you how to build that type of website. These websites are usually very small, somewhere between 20 and 30 articles, and they target a very specific niche, sub-niches actually. So for instance, if we wanted to do something in the food category, we're not just going to make a general food site because we're going to be competing with every single Food Network site out there. So instead, we're going to get really, really specific, and we're going to do something like football snack helmets. You've probably seen these before, and there's a website dedicated to nothing but that. Take a look here. I know that this website does about $2,500 a month in revenue. This website talks about nothing except those little football helmets that you can put snacks in. And you've definitely seen these before. You see, if I go on the website here and I click choose my team, it's going to take me over to Amazon and have a little football snack helmet. If I end up purchasing that helmet, the person who owns the website is going to earn a commission on the sale. Let's check out another niche. Let's say something like cleaning. You don't want to go into the cleaning niche. You want to go all the way down to, say, vacuum cleaners. This website is called vacuumsguide.com, and they talk about nothing but vacuum cleaners. And if you come down here, it's the same thing. They talk about vacuum cleaners, and if you click on one, it'll take you right on over to Amazon where you can buy that vacuum cleaner. If I end up buying the vacuum cleaner, that person earns a sale. As you can tell, you can apply this strategy to literally any niche, and in fact, the more strange and mundane, the better, because there's less competition. When there's less competition in the space, it's easier to get traffic, it's easier to make sales. And once you figure it out in one niche, you can take the skills and apply it to any niche that you want online. You could make a vacuum cleaner site, a football snack helmet site. I saw a site about water filters. I mean, the possibilities are limitless. Car parts is another one, but not just car parts, transmission oil coolers. Again, we're looking to get very, very specific here with these websites. Now, in the next video, I'm going to talk about the actual anatomy of a website and the parts that we're going to be building specifically. I wanted to use this video as just a general overview and strategy of what we're doing. So now you know what we're going to be doing. On the next video, you'll learn about what we're going to be building. See you in the next video.